Hello everyone, this is Jess Hay from Creative Cards to You. I'm glad you're here. Well, today is a bit of a different video. I was inspired by Alison Balmer to try my hand at making backgrounds with acrylic paint, an oven liner, and a gel plate. Most of the video will be voice off, so feel free to speed it up or bounce between different parts of the video that suit your fancy. I'm just using blues, greens, white, sometimes gray to make different shades of colors and see where playing takes me. I use a brayer to apply some ink directly onto some of the card panels, trying to go for light colors first. I then also apply paint to the Gelli plate and tap the card on parts of it as well. Be on the lookout for future videos as I've already made 4 cards with these backgrounds, so they are quite versatile, even though the process is a bit of a hot mess. I had so much fun I had trouble stopping. Enjoy the background music while you watch.